What is a brand vision and why is it so important? And how do I create one? In this video, we will talk about the importance of having a clear vision for your brand. My name is Daniel Lovate, and as the CEO of Christ and Hearts Church Consulting, I had the opportunity to work with numerous organizations and churches and them as a brand and see firsthand the impact that a well-defined brand vision can have on their success. In this video, I'll be discussing what a brand vision is, why it's so crucial for the success of your brand and organization, and how to develop and communicate your brand vision effectively. Whether you're just starting out with your brand or looking to refine your existing vision, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips. So, without a further ado, let's dive into why having a clear vision for your brand is so important. Defining a brand vision is the first step to understanding its importance. What is it? A brand vision is a concise and an aspirational statement that communicates the long-term direction and purpose of your brand. They serve as a guiding principle for your organization and should align with your values, culture, and overall goals. Having a clear brand vision is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you differentiate your brand from competitors by establishing a unique identity that resonates with your target audience. A strong brand vision can also inspire and motivate employees and guide decision-making process to ensure that all actions and initiatives are aligned with the overall direction of the brand. One example that comes to mind is Elevation Church. Everybody knows who they are in the Christian circle, but not many people know that their brand vision is see what God can do through you. This phrase defines everything they are building, the song they write, the events they have, and even in the way Pastor Stephen Furtick preaches, all to say that a well-defined brand vision can attract people, church attendees, customers who shares your values and goals, which creates a sense of loyalty and a long-term brand advocacy. It's important to remind ourselves that a brand vision differs from a mission statement, although the two are sometimes used interchangeably. While a brand vision focuses on the long-term goals and aspirations of the brand, a mission statement is a concise statement that defines the purpose and scope of the brand's current activities. In other words, a mission statement describes what the brand does, while a brand vision describes what the brand aspires to be. By defining your brand vision and distinguishing it from your mission statement, you can ensure that your organization is focused on achieving its long-term goals while also executing its current activities in a way that aligns with the goals and values. Having a clear brand vision can bring numerous benefits to your organization and business, of course. I want to explore the benefits of having a brand vision and provide real life example of how it can guide your business, your organization decisions, attract customers, and differentiate your brand from competitors. One of the primary benefits of having a brand vision is that it can guide your organization decisions. A brand vision provides a clear direction and purpose for your business, helping you make decisions that align with your long-term goals. For example, Tesla's brand vision is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. This vision guides their decision-making processes from product development to marketing strategies, ensuring that everything they do align with their vision. Another benefit of having a brand vision is that it can attract customers who share your values and goals. When customers resonate with a brand's vision, they are more likely to become loyal customers and brand promoters. For example, Patagonia's brand vision is to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. Their vision attracts customers who care about the environment and sustainability, creating a sense of loyalty and long-term brand advocacy. A clear brand vision can also differentiate your brand from your competitors. When your brand has a unique identity and purpose, it stands out from competitors who may not have a clear vision. For example, Nike's brand vision is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. If you have a body, you are an athlete. Their vision emphasizes inclusivity and innovation, setting them apart from competitors who may not have such a clear purpose. Now, you know that having a clear brand vision brings many benefits to your organization or business, including guiding business decisions, attracting customers, and differentiate your brand from competitors. By defining your brand vision, you can create a unique identity that resonates with your target audience and inspire loyalty and long-term brand promotion. As we have discovered so far, a strong brand vision is crucial for organizations to succeed in today's competitive marketplace. A brand vision defines a company's purpose and provides a roadmap for achieving its goals. It helps build a sense of identity and direction for the company and guides all business decisions. Now, we will move towards the process of developing a brand vision and offer practical tips for creating a vision statement that aligns with your values and business goals. The process of developing a brand vision is a collaborative process where you might involve and get input from all the stakeholders, including the employees, customers, and business partners. I believe the following steps can help guide you in the process of developing your brand vision. One, identify your company's core values. Your core values are the guiding principles that define your company's culture and shape its behavior. These values should align with your business goals and help differentiate your brand from competitors. Identify your core values and use them to guide your brand vision. Two, define your brand's personality. Your brand personality is the set of human characteristics that your brand embodies. This includes traits like trustworthiness, reliability, and friendliness. Defining your brand personality will help you create a vision statement that reflects your brand's unique personality and resonates with your target audience. Three, determine your brand's purpose. Your brand purpose is to reason why your business exists. It should be something that inspires and motivates your team and resonates with your customers. Determine your brand's purpose and use it to guide your vision statement. Four, conduct market research. Research your target audience and competitors to gain insight into what they value and how they perceive your brand. Use this information to inform your vision statement and ensure it resonates with your target audience. Number five, draft your vision statement. Your vision statement should be concise, memorable, and inspiring. It should communicate your company's purpose, values, and personality in a way that resonates with your target audience. Draft several versions of your vision statement and get feedback from stakeholders before finalizing it. I really want to give you everything, so I have included some of my personal tips for creating a vision statement that aligns with your values and organization goals. Here are top four practical tips to help you create a compelling vision statement. Number one, keep it simple and memorable. Your vision statement should be easy to remember and communicate. Use simple language and avoid jargon or industry specific terms that may confuse your audience. Two, focus on your customers. Your vision statement should focus on the benefits your customers will receive from your products or services. This will help you create a customer-centric vision statement that resonates with your target audience. Number three, be inspirational. Your vision statement should inspire your team and customers to take action. Use powerful language and communicate your brand's purpose and values in a way that inspires and motivates your audience. Number four, make it timeless. Your vision statement should be relevant today and in the future. Avoid using trendy buzzwords or phrases that may become outdated quickly. Develop a brand vision is a critical step in building a strong brand that resonates with your target audience. By following the process outlined above and using the practical tips provided, you can create a compelling vision statement that aligns with your values and business goals. Remember that your vision statement should inspire and motivate your team and customers to take action and help guide your organization decisions for years to come. Developing a brand vision is only the first step in building a successful brand. The next step is effectively communicating that vision that your team, stakeholders, and customers. In this video, we will discuss how to effectively communicate your brand vision and share examples of successful brand vision. Communicating your brand vision is crucial to building a strong brand. Here are some effective strategies for communicating your brand vision to your team, stakeholders, customers, church members. Number one, clearly define your brand vision. Your brand vision should be concise, memorable, and easy to understand. Clearly define your brand vision and ensure that all stakeholders, church members understand it. Number two, lead by example. As a leader, you are the face of your brand. Lead by example and embody your brand's values and personality. This will help you, your team, and customers better understand your brand vision. Number three, incorporate your brand vision into your marketing. Your marketing material should reflect your brand vision. Use your brand vision to guide your messaging and create marketing campaigns that resonates with your target audience. Number four, create brand guidelines. Create brand guidelines that outline your brand vision, personality, and values. Use these guidelines to ensure consistency across all marketing and communication channels. Number five, encourage feedback. Encourage feedback from your team, stakeholders, customers. This will help you understand how your brand vision is being received and it allows you to make necessary adjustment. Example of successful brand vision communication strategies. Effective brand vision communication is essential for building a successful brand. Here are some examples of successful brand vision communication strategy. Number one, Nike. Nike's brand vision is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. They have effectively communicated this vision through the marketing campaigns and sponsorship, which feature inspirational athletes who embody their brand values. Number two, Apple. Apple's brand vision is to think different. They have effectively communicated this vision through the innovative products and marketing campaigns, which emphasizes the unique and groundbreaking nature of their brand. Patagonia. Patagonia's brand vision is to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environment crisis. They have effectively communicated this vision through their marketing campaigns and sustainability initiatives, which demonstrate their commitment to protecting the environment. In conclusion, communicating your brand vision is crucial for building a strong brand. By following the strategies outlined above and studies successfully brand vision communication strategies, you can effectively communicate your brand vision to your team, stakeholders, and customers. Remember that your brand vision should be clear, concise, and easy to understand, and it should be incorporated into all marketing and communication channels.